So here's EATO app review. So here's the app. It's climbing really high in the charts recently in all countries. And here it is. So that's the app. It has some really amazing new technology where basically you scanning your breakfast, dinner, supper, whatever with AI calorie counter camera, and then this camera says like what is the approximate amount of calories you consuming. So this is a new technology. I just upgraded, so I will show upgraded version of it, and it's pretty accurate. So you don't, if you really want to lose some weight, this is a must-have app. At least you can try it. Um, so yeah, easily and precise calorie tracker. So you don't need to enter calories by yourself by typing. You can just take photo of your food plate and then it estimates the number of calories you're eating. Or for example, if you're at work at restaurant and you're not sure which food you wanna eat, you just scan basically this each plate and you see, okay, this plate is 1000 calories, this plate is 500 calories, this plate is 2000 calories. You don't need to think yourself, the app does it for you. Also you can just scan barcodes in the supermarket. So yep, let's just take a look. So here is the app. So basically there is a long onboarding when you're creating an account, where you just need to submit your weight, your height, your goals, your diet, all of these things, and then basically you just have your calorie goal, which is estimated on all of the data you entered. Like for example, you want to lose like 5 kilograms in like in 2 months or whatever. Then you create your plan, and your plan is basically how much you're eating, what your food intake, and how much you're exercising. And then like based on that, it just creates the calorie goal, like remaining calorie goal is your goal minus food plus exercise. So if your goal is 2000 calories per day and you eating a lot of food, that goal will really go to the bottom. But if you exercise, then you can eat a bit more because you're burning some of those calories. But again, the top feature of this app is this AI login. So I will just show you. So here is log meal. You can search yourself, you can use AI identity, or you can scan barcode. But the pretty thing is this AI identity. I will show you how it works. So for example, let's just try it out to scan from like laptop, whatever. So here's lasagna and I'll just scan it. Just imagine that this is the real plate. And here I'm just scanning. You just add in the number of servings, what is the portion, and then you have vegetable lasagna, which is scanning is quite accurate. It has all of the ingredients, so probably it just takes it out from some kind of recipe, and then based on these ingredients, it calculates the number of calories. So then it's analyzing food, and then it has total calories, 2000 calories. It's quite a lot. You can also log that it is, it's inaccurate, but then actually you are logging this food and you can see, all right, I'm already over my goal because the lasagna was quite heavy to eat. And then you just log in all of this. So the cool thing about this app again is it's surprisingly it's quite accurate, and you can quite accurately track your food intake. Then another thing about is this, like there is a meal plan for this app, so you can follow the meal plan built for you by the app. And then there are recipes which you can add to your meal plan, so you can just see the recipe. You can see what's the ingredients, you can just add it to your plan. Then there is your profile, what's your current BMI, what the steps, this app syncs with your Apple Health. Yeah, and then you just have it. So yeah, that's basically the idea of it, and that's your plan, and that's the app. So again, super cool app, easy to use. However, it's quite expensive though. So like the monthly plan is like $20 per month, so it's not cheap. However, there is a nice yearly options, and they have a discount where you can get it like for $30 per year. Again, there is no free trial, so you will need to buy it right away. Yeah, but if you're looking for some kind of food login app to track your calories, this is the best app right now on the market. I guess there will be more and more apps like that, and you can use it for so many use cases. And also, let's just go and check some reviews. Feel like the app is too focused on weight loss. Maybe you can add some high calorie recipes and such. Some people not happy there is no 7-day free trial. Some people say it doesn't recognize anything. You have to pay. And yes, there is quite a long onboarding when you just create an account. There are like 30 steps to, yeah, that's a bit annoying. And there is no free trial, unfortunately. But again, for me, it was scanning things quite accurately. So for example, let's just try again, I'll just show you. So snack, let's just try to log it in, and then let's just try to log with some spaghetti with tomato sauce. As you can see, it's quite accurate. 200 grams spaghetti, 2 cups tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 clove garlic. $500 calories. Of course, it's very estimate. It also tracks all the vitamins, protein, and then you just log in it. You can also tap inaccurate result, and then you just log in the food, and that's it. So you can just create this app as a habit, and wherever you're at work or at home, just log every food. And with this AI logger, is just much easier and much faster. You just 10 seconds, you log your food while you're eating in restaurant, at home, and you will know estimate how much calories you're eating. And that's quite important because sometimes you're exercising and doing things, but you're not losing weight. Like, what's going on? So maybe then you can just use this app and log your food and just have at least an estimate amount, and you can understand that you can't eat lasagna or pizza every day, because this is really a lot of calories. And then you can just get some nice alternatives for food. So for example, let's just log another snack. So here's, for example, pizza. So how many calories is that? I'm just logging from my laptop, but so you just get an idea. So cheese pizza. So you can see 1,000 calories at least. And that's it. So yep, that's what it is. Again, then if you're getting a lot of calories over your goal, then you will need either to exercise. So then you can just log some nice exercise. So for example, I played beach volleyball for 30 minutes, log exercise. And then I will see, okay, that's 240 calories. So as you can see, beach volleyball with moderate activity for 30 minutes is only 240 calories. And one pizza, like a small cheese pizza, is like 1,000 calories. And then after doing that, you understand, hey, this is actually, I need to do something with my diet, because that's a lot of food calories. So anyhow, this app can really discipline you. And, if you really use it every day and you track this, then you can lose some weight actually. So try it out.